In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2 players on Dragon Ball Z Fighters. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. On Fighter Z, you can do local battles as long as you have 2 controllers connected. So if you want to do a battle by sharing the same screen, the same console with someone in the same room as you, this is what I'm going to be showcasing first, a local battle. But you can also do battles online, and I'm going to be talking about that afterwards. So first, for local battles, go to the top right corner of the map and you will find this reserved area, local battle. Interact with this NPC, the local battle reception. I recommend having your controller connected from this point onwards. So connect the controller to any platform. You can do it wirelessly, usually by pressing a specific combination of buttons like turning on the controller with the PlayStation button, pressing PlayStation plus jack. If you are on Xbox, there's going to be a dedicated synchronize or connect button, or you can even use a cable. Simply find a way to connect the controller to your console. Now, once you have it connected and you interact with this NPC, go over to Begin Battle, so the first option, and now assign one controller to player 1 and another controller to player 2. Very simple. Once each player has one controller attached, you can now pick your characters, customize the stage, and start battling. Extremely straightforward. If you want to do online battles, it's going to be a little bit different. First, make sure that both of you are in the same lobby. So if you are on lobby 2, for example, your friend must also be in lobby 2. So send out an invite, communicate, and once both of you are in the same lobby, one of you will create a ring match. So press R2 to go over to ring match and customize it here. You can set up a password which is recommended, so that way no other random people will join. And once one of you creates the rings, picks the character, then your friend is going to be able to join you. They will join into the same ring, pick the teams, pick the characters, and both of you will be able to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.